Hello, everyone. So I am getting a little frustrated with those of you not watching the video and just trying to do the question and then just not giving me the answers I'm looking for. So what we're going to do today and tomorrow and probably Friday is I'm going to give you a question. I'm going to start it. You're going to finish it. That means you're going to copy everything you see in this video and then finish the question. So we have a equation here. We have 4 different answers that we're going to check. I am going to do the first 2. You're going to do the second 2. As you will see, one of them is going to work. One of them is not going to work. What does that mean? One of them equals 0. One of them doesn't. You'll get the same thing down here. One of them will equal 0. The other one will not. Okay, so there's no Word file. There's no PDF. So you have to watch this video in order to get the assignment. The assignment is, if you want to pause it, copy that down. All right, copy down this first one. I'm going to do this first one with you right now. After you unpause the video. So if you're unpaused, okay, so we have x equals 2. I'm going to do this in blue here. So x equals 2 means I'm going to plug in 2 for x. So we have 2 squared plus 1 times 2 minus 72 equals 0. Okay, so I just replaced, right? I replaced my x's with my 2's. In fact, if I'm even highlight that in blue for you, I will. So there's our blue 2. Okay, now we got to solve here. I'll do that in black. 2 squared is 4. If the black pen will write. Anyway, I won't do that in black. I'll do that in blue. So 2 squared is 4. Plus 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 72 equals 0. Okay, this is 6 minus 72 equals 0. Now remember, 6 minus 72 is the same thing as 72 minus 6, but my answer is negative. Got to borrow. And we got negative 62 equals 0. And that does not work. Okay, I want to see that. All this on your assignment. I just did it for you. All you got to do is copy. Okay, the next one, x equals negative 9. So we're going to plug in negative 9 in for x. Now notice here, when I plug in negative 9, I'm going to throw in some parentheses. If you don't throw in parentheses, depending on what type of calculator you use, it's going to come out possibly not correct. Okay, so we have negative 9 squared plus 1, right, that one, times negative 9 minus 72 equals 0. Now we're going to evaluate. Remember, negative 9 times negative 9 is positive 81. Okay. 1 times negative 9 is negative 9 minus 72 equals 0. 81 plus 9 is the same thing as 81 minus 9, which is, got to borrow, 72. So we have 72 minus 72 equals 0. And oh, look, 72 minus 72 is 0. So we have 0 equals 0. And yes, that works. Now your job, right, copy this down. And then your job is to find it for x equals 8 and x equals negative 6. Okay, so once again, if you want to pause it right here, you can copy all those. And then unpause it, pause it again, and there's x equals 8 and x equals negative 6.